Good news, the book is published. Hello, everybody. I'm Mike Fraidenburg. Yesterday, a colleague wrote to me about the book and said, "It's just what I always wanted when I was mediating." I'm grateful it's already helping people who want to take control when conflict threatens to spiral things out of control. In 25 plus years of mediation, I've learned that people don't really fear conflict itself. They fear that moment when they know something needs to be done, but they don't know how to fix it. That helpless feeling when conflict starts to manage you instead of you managing it. The book gives you three practical tools. First, diagnose what's really driving the conflict, not just what people are arguing about. Second, manage conversations so they build understanding instead of defensiveness. And third, create durable agreements that address everybody's needs. These are the same tools that are used in high-stakes mediations, presented in a step-by-step fashion with templates for how to use them. Plus, there's a 2-page field guide you can carry anywhere for when conflict shows up unexpectedly. I want to express my gratitude to you. First, thanks for joining me on this journey. This has been an incredible year as I've developed the book, and you've been on my mind constantly, wondering if these tools would truly help when you face conflicts. Seeing the early responses tells me they can make a real difference. And second, thank you for your commitment to turning conflict into cooperation. That commitment matters. The world has enough dividers, but not enough bridge builders. I'm honored to support you with these tools, and I hope the book truly does help.